Today we are making keto blueberry cheesecake. Let's go! First, pour 2 cups blanched almond flour. Next, add 2 teaspoons of confectioner's erythritol, sugar substitute. Add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Add 1½ sticks worth of melted butter. Mix it up, get that crust ready to go. Yum. Smooth the pie crust batter over the bottom of your cooking dish. Cook your crust at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 minutes in your stove. Big ham. 12 minutes later. All right. Time to make the blueberry compote. Put 2 cups blueberries in a saucepan. Heat at medium-low on your stove. Add 2 teaspoons confectioner's erythritol, sugar substitute to your compote. Next, add 2 teaspoons lemon juice. Add the zest of 1 lemon into the blueberry compote as well. Oh yeah. Nice. Time to make the filling. Put 16 ounces cream cheese into your mixing bowl. Add 2 teaspoons vanilla extract. Add ½ a cup of confectioner's erythritol, sugar substitute. And add 2 eggs. Yum. Mix until your filling is creamy smooth. Pour the filling atop your crust. Pour your blueberry compote over your filling and mix. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell icons below this video, my friends. It is much appreciated. Thank you. Bake for 35 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit in your stove. 35 minutes later. Refrigerate your cheesecake for a good 6 to 8 hours to set. Oh, that is gorgeous. Oh, yum, yum. Coffee donations are always appreciated. They jack me up for the next video. Buy my merchandise at www.claysketocuisine.com. Keto for the win every day, yeah. See you at the next video, my friends. Take care.